have our first bike rodeo of the school year. I think it's been a great turnout. Wasn't sure what to expect since it was the first time doing it, but we have a good turnout. We have the city library here of Tempe. We also have the City of Tempe Play mobile van. We have the Tempe Police Bike Squad here as well, and they are participating with our kids. They have an obstacle course out there. We have Miss Dunphy, who's a teacher here at our school, who is doing bike games with them as well. And we just have a lot of fun. We're giving helmets away, we're giving bells away, we're giving water bottles away, we're giving everything away that's free here.
Well, we have a great turnout today. We didn't know what to expect, this being our first year organizing all this. Becho did a good job of creating all these stations, getting out the helmets for everybody. We have our obstacle course going, and we set up what's called our slow cone drills. We actually have taken elements from our official bike course where police officers train to ride the bikes on Mill Avenue. We brought those courses out here today to give a little bit more technical skill building for the kids, and I'm also helping out with the helmet fitting here today. This is a great turnout. It's nice to bring this bike rodeo here to the school and now showcase what the kids have done in building the bikes, and then bring that bike awareness, which Bike Month for Tempe is April, and just like I said, a full icing on the cake to the whole program here.
On your mark, get set, go!
We've been helping out for the last 3 years with the bike repairs, but we're there just to help lend a hand if they've run into a problem where bikes just aren't adjusting correctly. We can give our mechanics expertise a little extra hand in teaching the kids on how to repair those bikes.
Bike repair class was about helping the community and fixing bikes for others and for yourself. It's good to fix bikes because then if something happens to your bike, then you know how to fix it. And if you buy your own bike and it breaks, you can fix that.
Oh, there are actually bikes that were donated, and the kids in the bike repair class are the ones that are repairing the bicycles to recycle them back into the community, and just keeping the program sustainable with donations. Donations are always welcome, from tubes to tires to even volunteers. Everybody asked me today if he could, or this week, if he could stay for the bike rodeo and help out. And of course I said, yeah, absolutely, I want you here. So thanks for coming out. I appreciate you. Thank you. I'm glad you were in my class. All right, go have fun with it. To me, it's a success today.